Hello, my name is Gerard and I'm with 404 Computer and Cell Phone Repair. We are here today discussing wireless headphones, the different options that we have in store at our Perimeter Mall store. And hopefully one of these options will suit your needs, so you can give us a call at 404-259-0183 or just come on in store, and hopefully these headphones will fulfill your needs. Here we have today are the tone headphones, very popular option that's been around. And these are the type of headphones that actually go around your neck, and you have two different headphones that can go in your ears, and that'll keep your hands free and you don't have to talk on your phone. And they also retract on the left and right hand side. Your volume is on the sides. You can answer your calls with them, and of course your volume you can turn up and down. So that's option number one. Hopefully that will fulfill some of you guys' needs out there. Okay. And if that particular unit doesn't fulfill your needs, we have a second option here, the Power 3 wireless headphones, which also go in both ears or wrap around each particular ear. They don't go around your neck. And these right here are a good unit, and hopefully these will fulfill some of you guys' needs out there. Okay? And moving right along to option 3, which you may or may not have seen out there. If you don't like headphones in both ears, here's a singular earpiece that you can use. If you don't like one or the other, we can fulfill any of you guys' needs here in store at the 404 Computer and Cell Phone Repair here at Perimeter Mall. You guys can also find us on Instagram at 404 Cell Phone Repair, and we're at computerrepairatlantastore.com, and of course you can come in store at Perimeter Mall or give us a call at 404-259-0183, and of course we have many products that will fulfill your needs.